There's a new supply chain interactive map that deals with rare earth elements. Phys.org reports that impacts on water, soil, air, and health, lack of transparency and participation in decision-making, human rights violations, criminalization, and violence against communities are some of the effects documented along rare earth supply chains, according to the Rare Earths Impact and Conflicts map. These are all tracked real time on the map seen here. The issue is the value and the dirty nature of mining and processing of rare earth elements, extremely difficult and toxic and highly valuable. And as the EU points out in its Critical Raw Materials Act, rare earth elements are strategic for the green and digital transition and also for defense and aerospace industries, unquote. REEs and rare earth elements are important for obvious reasons, as illustrated by the industries that they're used in. Our own distaste for the process and toxicity of mining pushed them offshore and into the hands of those who have been waging economic wars against us for 60 years. As important as they are, and given the impacts of geopolitical events and hostilities over the past few millennia, I would say that tracking the disruptions might be important to some supply chain managers. I think a more important topic that no one talks about is the unjust transformation of our world economy as we race to go green without considering the unintended consequences of our actions. Perhaps we'll miss opportunities to right the imbalances caused by the fossil fuel transformation. Not only will the have-nots have less, they stand to be exploited as the developed world realizes that they're the ones that control the world supply of the raw materials needed for a green future and national security. Quote, how can we develop energy transition policies that do not push aside environmental, social, or participation rights in the name of climate urgency? That's one of many great questions posed in the article. Hey,